Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up? Welcome back to our class channel, It's AHA Class. The Honorable, our English lecturer, Salweli Ardiansyah. In this video, I will present my presentation about pronouns, types of pronouns. Before I start our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Utari Nuraini and I am the third semester student in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, so let's get started. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that doesn't need to be named specifically. Pronouns make up a small subcategory of nouns. The distinguishing characteristic of pronouns is that they can be substituted for other nouns. For instance, if you are telling a story about your sister Sarah, the story will begin to sound repetitive if you keep repeating Sarah over and over again. Example: Sarah has always loved fashion. Sarah announced that Sarah wants to go to fashion school. You could try to mix it up by sometimes referring to Sarah as my sister, but then it sounds like you're referring to two different people. Example: Sarah has always loved fashion. My sister announced that Sarah wants to go to fashion school. Instead, you can use the pronoun she and her to refer to Sarah. Example: Sarah has always loved fashion. She announced that she wants to go to fashion school. There are a lot of types of pronouns. In this video, I will explain about 4 types of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Let's go to the first. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to a specific person or thing. Their form changes to indicate a person, number, gender, or case. Personal pronouns are used for a specific object or person, and they change their forms to indicate the different genders, numbers, case, and person speaking. The personal pronouns can be based on 3 points: gender, numbers, and case. In gender, for example, he went to the market. He is used for the male gender. Other examples are his, him, he, etc. She is doing the laundry. She is used for the female gender. Other examples are her, hers, etc. The next point is numbers. In numbers, there are 2 kinds of pronouns: singular pronouns and plural pronouns. In singular pronouns, where the pronoun is only referring to one specific noun. For example, that book belongs to me. Me refers to one singular person only. In plural pronouns, where the pronoun is used to refer to a number of nouns. For example, that is their book, not yours. There shows a number of people, hence it's a plural personal pronoun, whereas the yours in this sentence is another example of singular personal pronoun. In case, there are 3 kinds of case: subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. In subjective case, for example, she is at work. She is the main subject of the sentence. Hence, in this sentence, she is the subjective personal pronoun. In objective case, for example, he will meet us later. Us is the objective personal noun, as is the object of the verb meet. He is the subject, as he is the person who will be doing the action of meeting. In possessive case, for example, that is our clubhouse. Our shows the possession of the object clubhouse. Possessive pronouns can also be used to show possession over people. Next is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to and identify a noun or a pronoun. These and these refer to things that are nearby in space or time, while that and those refer to things that are further away in space or further away in time. For example, this is the dress I will wear. That is the one I wore yesterday. That is not true. Please pay for those. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. They are only four in number. These, that, these, and those. These and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. These and those are plural demonstrative pronouns. They can also be used to show an specified quantity in a sentence. For example, that is a beautiful house. That is a demonstrative pronoun that is referring to a specific noun, house. This is a singular pronoun as it is referring to only one house. This is what he is charging. This is used as pronoun in place of a number, and it is also acting as a quantifier by referring not only to the noun but to the amount or number of the noun as well. This is a singular demonstrative pronoun. Other example is, these were made by me. These is showing an unspecified quantity of something that was made by a person. This is a plural demonstrative pronoun as it's referring to a number of objects. The last example is, everyone remembers those dates. Those is showing a particular time or period of days in the past. It is being used in place of a noun that could be school, summer, college, etc. Here also those is a plural demonstrative pronoun as it's indicating a number of days. Next is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, which, and what. If you are learning English as a second language, it is important to remember that who and whom are used to refer to people, while which is used to refer to things and animals. Who acts as the subject, while whom acts as the object. For example, which is the best restaurant? What did he tell you? Whom should we invite? Who, whom, which, and what are interrogative pronouns as they are used to ask questions about a person or object that we do not know about. Compounds of these words are made by attaching ever to the words to strengthen the emphasis on the word. Interrogative pronoun list. In interrogative pronoun, there are which, what, who, whom, whoever. Which is used when you have a limited choice. What is used asking for general information. Who is used when asking about a person and name. Whom is used when asking about a person or name. Whoever is used for emphasis instead of who in questions, typically expressing surprise or confusion. Whoever, used to emphasize a lack of restriction in selecting one of a definite set of alternatives regardless of which. And the last is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to link one phrase or clause to another phrase or clause. The relative pronouns are who, whom, that, and which. The compounds whoever, whomever, and whichever are also commonly used relative pronouns. For example, whoever added the bill made a mistake. The bill, which included all our meals, was larger than expected. The waiter who served us doesn't know how to eat. Related pronouns are used to join or relate to different clauses together by referring to the noun in the previous clause using the pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and that. Usage of relative pronouns with example. Who, used for people. For example, who are all those people? Whom, used for people. For object, to whom do you wish to speak? Which, used for objects. Which of your parents do you feel closer to? Whose, used to show possession. Whose keys are on the kitchen counter? Where, refers to places. Where is my t-shirt? When, refer to time. When are you going? Why, refer to reason. Why did you choose me? What, relates to things. What size shoes do you take? That relates to people, animals, and things. Is this the train that goes to Braintree? Okay guys, I think that's all my explanation about the types of pronouns: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and this video will be useful for all of us. Goodbye and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.